Join us at the Pahrump Nugget Hotel and Casino with the #1 gaming experience and entertainment. The Pahrump Nugget has the #1 dining experience at Stockman Steakhouse, Golden Harvest Cafe, and the Gold Miners Buffet. Come get your game on at the Pahrump Nugget Hotel and Casino.
Well, we've got a lot of exciting things going on, Deanna. We received a $350,000 grant to start the drug court in Tonopah, so I'm actively working on that. And I also received a grant to be the pilot program for the state district courts for iPads for the courtroom.
We talked about this before, that you guys want to do this. And how would these be utilized?
Well, how it will work is if you are a juror in one of our cases, when the evidence is published up to the jury, you'll see it simultaneously on your iPad. So instead of you sitting in the courtroom and being rather bored when they say, "Judge, we'd like you to admit Exhibit A or Exhibit B," you'll get to see Exhibit A or Exhibit B. So it's pretty exciting, and you'll be able to adjust it, stretch it. I had a murder trial in January, and they put the pictures up on our 70-inch monitor, but they lost some of the color as it faded as they were placed on and expanded on that monitor. So they'll be able to look at the pictures up close and personal. And then if they want to stretch the item on the iPad, then they can.
And so this was all as a result of a grant?
It was. I found out that the administrative offices of the court had a technology grant program, and I wrote a grant along with the help of Amy Fanning, the Nye County grants coordinator. We submitted the grant, and we recently found out that we were awarded that grant.
And they will be used in your court and other courts throughout Nye County?
Well, right now we're going to start, since I'm the pilot program, we'll be utilizing them in Department 1, and if it's successful, then I would expect to see them throughout the state.
What's some of the other things that you're kind of looking forward to be doing?
Well, I was appointed in 2012 by Governor Sandoval to the Commission on Juvenile Justice, and yesterday I flew to Reno, and we meet quarterly. So making some progress. I would like to see that if juveniles have issues, that we're able to resolve those at the juvenile level so they don't ever cross over into the district court.
And that's so important, isn't it?
It absolutely is. And Deanna, the #1 thing I see, every time I arraign someone, I ask how far they went in school. And if there was a #1 issue that I could say theme that goes throughout criminal defendants is their lack of education, that they never completed their high school level courses. And I was talking with some folks in the Commission for Juvenile Justice, and even they said that is the #1 challenge. They've been on for years, is making sure our juveniles get the education they need so they can progress in life.
Having some support system for them.
Absolutely. And not everyone learns the same way. So we need to be thinking outside the box. But what we need to be thinking is how can we get folks who have at least a high school diploma or GED. That's one of the great things about the drug court program is when you graduate, you have your high school diploma or GED.